Hello everyone, welcome to Press On Nails by V. I am Vanessa, and today I'm going to walk you through how I design whimsical jellyfish press-on nails. I have a plate from 𝐒𝐤 𝒔𝒅𝒅 that has jellyfish on it that I've been wanting to create a design for some time and thought it was perfect to bring it out just before the summer's ending. This is my inspo pic that I got from Pinterest. I wanted to create a design where it was like the depths of the sea, that you're looking up and seeing transparent pink and turquoise jellyfish. So first I'm putting down a base color. A tip, use the lightest color from the gradient for the base. When you use the lightest color, this is going to help that light color pop and not have the dark colors overpower it. Another tip is to have the colors overlap when you're putting them on the sponge. This is going to help them blend more when you're putting it down on the nail. So I let the first layer dry. Once that's dried, I do the same technique and do one more layer of the gradient. Once the gradient is dry, I put a layer of Hollow Taco's Twilight Shimmer on top. I use regular nail polish, so I let it dry overnight for at least 12 hours. Once it's dried, I top coat it with gel and cure. Once I have top coated and cured all of the nails, then the fun part begins and I get a stamp. So here you'll see me using 𝐒𝐤 𝒔𝒅𝒅's jellyfish plate and just creating different jellyfish with pink and turquoise. I'm adding some stars that are silver and pink to give that whimsical look. With these nails, I wanted to have bubbles flowing up from the bottom between both nails, so here I'm just lining them up and making sure that it flows nicely together. Now I'm going to let the nails dry overnight for at least 12 hours. Once they're dry, I'm going to top coat with gel and cure. this is the final look. I think they turned out really well. I really enjoy how the shimmer turned out with the sunlight. It's exactly what I was thinking in my head. I think it just looks really, really beautiful. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would love to hear your feedback. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Would love to hear in the comments if you also use regular nail polish for your designs. It doesn't seem like using regular nail polish is too common, so would love to hear your process. Thank you again, and hope to see you in my next video.